This demonstration teaches you how to complete the forms for the Denver Metro Regional Science and Engineering Fair. We use the same forms that the International Science and Engineering Fair, and you can find them in their rules and guidelines. This is the adult sponsor checklist. This needs to be completed with the student researcher and the adult sponsor. The first part you do is you fill in the student names. If there is a team, you need to include all team members' names. The largest team size is only 3 people. Next, you put your project title. For this demonstration, our project title is Drinking Tea and Not Coffee Improves Singing. Next, you need to complete the check boxes. You must read the rules and guidelines prior to experimentation and prior to competing in the fair. So you check saying that you have read the rules and guidelines. Next, you check that you have worked with the student and completed their checklist and their research plan. That you've also have talked with the student about possible risks. And then in number 4, you only click number 4 if you have humans, vertebrate animals, microorganisms, recombinant DNA, or tissues in your project. For this demonstration, we are using humans as they will be ingesting tea and singing. So we would also click number 4. Number 5, these are the items that are completed for all projects. So this is for you to understand that yes, you have your adult sponsored checklist, your student checklist, your research plan, project summary, and approval forms. You only need to include the Regulated Research Institution, Form 1C, or Continuing Research Progression Form, Form 7, if they are applicable. They are not for this experiment. For number 6, you need to click on each box that is included in your project. For this one, we do have humans. And our humans, we are required to have human participant form, number 4, a sample informed consent form, and a qualified scientist form. We do not have vertebrate animals for this example or potentially hazardous biological agents. However, there are risks and there are risky activities in this experiment of drinking hot tea that could actually burn someone. So these are the risks that are associated with this project, and therefore a risk assessment form number 3 would be required. So you would need to also select the hazardous chemicals, activities, and devices section. Lastly, you would type in the adult sponsor's name, and here it's going to be Blake Shelton. The date of review, this should be prior to experimentation, and since these experiments are going to be done during Thanksgiving, we put down the date of review. You put down your phone number and your email so that the scientific review committee can contact you if needed. Next, you would print out this page, sign the adult form, and then send it in with your registration, which is all online. Remember to save your form before printing, and we will see you at the next demonstration.